we are using AI completely wrong. Imagine that you open an AI model and you get what you wanted just by writing a few words, not writing the whole prompt, the whole summary every time. Writing a same sentence every time seems boring and irritating. So, what if there was a solution to it? And there is a solution to it. Hey there, this is Darsh, a tech enthusiast. And today we'll be learning about something called GEMS. So, it's an initiative or a branch of Gemini. So, here we create our own personal assistant for specified tasks. Okay, imagine you are going to write an email and you require mm, email every day because are busy writing emails and you're like someone who is surrounded by mail and good people, good minded people, and want to email them in a good language like cold emails. So what if there was something that could generate only emails, specific image and emails and brilliant emails? And you were not to write every single thing. You are just to write send this email from this person to this specified for this subject. Boom, the email is ready. Doesn't it seem amazing? So it is amazing. And I have used Gemini Gems. And it is really good. It helps in many tasks like generating video ideas or scripts, but I usually speak myself. I don't blindly follow an AI. But first, let's learn how to make these gems. Let's start. Okay, so once you search for Gemini, you are directed to this homepage. And this is the place where we are going to make our own personal assistant. So let's start. So we click on this menu and we go to gems over there. We collapse the menu, and here are some of the gems that I created myself on my own. So these are the top 6 Gemini gems which I created, and these are some of the already made Gemini gems by Google, pre-made Gemini gems. So, how about creating your own Gemini gem? So for that, first we need to generate a prompt for Gemini Gem because after you generate a prompt, it will be easier. So how about making a Gemini Gem that helps you solve your chemistry homework? So let's talk to AI about that. Okay, Gemini, I want to create a Gemini Gem specifically for creating, doing my chemistry homeworks. I mess it up with chemistry, so I want clear concepts. So make generate a prompt in Markdown prompting format for Gemini Gem in code block for helping me solve my chemistry homework and do all the things related to chemistry and explain basic concepts. So this is our prompt. It's a really good. You look, it gave us the role, persona, interaction guidelines, formatting standards, everything. Now we just copy it and go back to the menu of Gemini Gems. Here we click on New Gems, and in this instructions bar, we sorry, in this description bar, we paste the prompt, the one we had, and here we are. Everything is ready. Now we have to give it a name. So chemistry buddy. You also paste it here. Now it is ready. It is ready. You save the Gemini gem. It is taking time. Yeah. Okay. So the Gemini gem is ready. Now I tell it to give me formula for sulfuric acid. How about that? So it gives me the formula. Okay. H2SO4. Yeah, it's easy, I know. So balance the water formation equation. Okay, now I just want it. Okay. H2 plus O2. Okay, for balancing, it is showing me the steps. And here we are, the final answer. Isn't it great? We just created our own AI personal assistant that helps us with chemistry tasks. Isn't it amazing? You can ask Gemini to generate a prompt for Gemini Gem and it generates. And then you have a prompt, paste it in Gemini Gems. Your personal assistant is ready. Save it, use it as much as you want. It's free of cost. No worries. So see you in next video. Till then, see you. Till then, bye.